Which bird can only eat when its head is upside down? Options are flamingo, parrot, ostrich. Correct answer is flamingo. Which mammal has no vocal cords? Options are shark, giraffe, snake. Correct answer is giraffe. What is a female donkey called? Options are a donkey, a pride, a jenny. Correct answer is a jenny. Which animal has the largest eyes in the animal kingdom? Options are hippopotamus, blue whale, colossal squid. Correct answer is colossal squid. What is a baby bird called? Options are a kitten, nestling, baby bird. Correct answer is nesting. Which dog breed is the most dangerous to own? Options are Doberman, Pitbull, Rottweiler. Correct answer is Pitbull. How many bones does a shark have? Options are 1,000 bones, no bone, 3,000 bones. Correct answer is no bones. What is the heaviest species of monkey? Options are macaque, Pithecia, mandrill. Correct answer is mandrill. What is a female horse called? Options are horse, calf, a mare. Correct answer is a mare. Which is the latitude that runs through the center of the Earth? Options are equator, North Pole, South Pole. Correct answer is equator. Which country has the highest population? Options are India, United States, China. Correct answer is China. What are the branches of a river called? Options are river banks, tributaries. River branch. Correct answer is tributaries. Which is the coldest continent in the world? Options are Antarctica, Australia, Africa. Correct answer is Antarctica. Where in the world is the Tower Bridge located? Options are Scotland, Alaska, London. Correct answer is London. How many countries are present in Africa? Options are 40 countries, 54 countries, 84 countries. Correct answer is 54 countries. What is the currency of Cambodia? Options are riel, pound, euro. Correct answer is riel. What animal is the symbol of the U.S. Democratic Party? Options are pigeon, eagle, donkey. Correct answer is donkey. What title was given to the rulers in the ancient Egypt? Options are pharaoh, premier, president. Correct answer is pharaoh. Which U.S. president issued the Emancipation Proclamation? Options are Abraham Lincoln, John Kennedy, Woodrow Wilson. Correct answer is Abraham Lincoln. Who became Cuba's prime minister in 1959? Options are Andrew Cuomo, Alexander MC, Fidel Castro. Correct answer is Fidel Castro. If you just committed regicide, what important person did you kill? Options are pharaoh, premier, monarch. Correct answer is monarch. Who was the tallest U.S. president? Options are Barack Obama, Abraham Lincoln, Donald Trump. Correct answer is Abraham Lincoln. Which of the U.S. political parties was the first to have woman on the presidential ticket? Options are Republican, Democratic, both parties. Correct answer is Democratic. Please like and subscribe my channel.